Are you tired of using VLOOKUP formula and XLOOKUP formula and you don't want to use any formula and you want to merge data together and get result from different tables? So today I have this data, sales data here, in which I have order ID, product name, and then customer ID, and then I have customer data as well here where I have customer names and their country. So I want my products and order ID with the country. So instead of using VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP, and if you don't want to use any formula, just want to do it with hand in the clicks, then you need Power Query. So first, let's add these tables to Power Query. So convert your data into table first if they're not in a table. So click anywhere in your table and then go to Data tab, and then here from table range, data is already here and the table names is sales data. Now click on click and load and then choose close and load to, and when you come here back to Excel, you will get this option. So select only create connections and then select OK. Now go to customer data and here do the same. So open up the Power Query, and here I didn't change this name, so let's change this name of this table so it would be easy when we are editing. So this is customer data. I change the name here and then select again close and load to and select only create connection and select OK. Now I have both tables in my Power Query. Next you need to do is go to Data tab and then go to Get Data and then go to Combine Queries and then select Merge and then select your table here, Sales Table, and then select your customer data here and now select identical columns. So it has customer ID here as well and here as well. Select customer ID and then select here as well and then select it left after joint here and then say OK. And when you come here, both the tables are merged. You can give a name here as well. So I'll give sales by country, and then press enter. Change the name. Now you can expand the data here. You can select anything you don't want. So for now, I will select all of them. So I only need one customer ID now. So it expanded now here like here, but I only need one customer ID. So let's delete this one. And I don't need customer names. I'll select delete this one as well because I only needed the customer country data. So what I will do is I will move this one here so it look better, and then I can rename this only just country. So much easy to add it in Power Query than Excel because you don't have to apply any formula because everything is happening in the background. You can see what's happening here. You can see the old formula here, that what's happening behind it. All the steps are recorded so you don't forget what did you do. Now we have all the things we needed. Now we just click on the click and load. So close and load. So sales by country unloaded here. So you didn't have to apply any formula. You didn't have to mess around with pivot tables. Power Query is a game changer. Let me know in the comment if you think the same. I find it easy to use Power Query than to mess around with the data in the Excel.